Or is this my Hershey? Or does it surprise me? It's my Hershey. Here's my Hershey. That's my cat, Puss. Hey, Puss. How are you, Puss? So, today's the wedding day. Yeah. This is Papa of Calangag. Yeah, today's the wedding day. Ow, ow, motherfucker. This will be like an official house tour. Only because it's early in the morning. Don't go by now. Oh wait, this will be an official house tour. Excuse me, because I just woke up. That is the house right there. I'll walk the property as I'm speaking, and then you can see the house at the same time. So, I used to own all the way back there. I gave away property to my in-laws. They needed someplace to stay, and I had the property, so I gave it away. So this is the side of the house right here. This is all the way to pretty much my property line where my fence will be, as you can see by the coconut palm trees. I'll be putting a koi pond there. That area, excuse the mess because I gotta fix up the area, but this is the dog area. I'll be putting the kennels up there. Hey Taz, hey Maggie, that's my Maggie and Tazzy. But this is their dog run literally. Whoa, hey, you gotta clean your eyes here. Hi Maggie, hi Maggie, hi Tazzy. Oh, good boy. Okay. So, back there, oh, there's my other cat up there, you can't really see him. But this is the dog area where I'm going to be putting the kennels pretty soon. So, that's just another side of the house. This is the entrance to that new room I just built. That door is at least 80 years old, it's a really old door, so I reclaimed it. Oh, this is my Hershey. Oh, this surprised me. My Hershey. Here's my Hershey. What's to surprise me? Say that, baby girl. Get down from there. Get down from there. So, that's the side of the house. I'm going to show you the outside first. And I'm going to walk a lot. So, this is good. So, this is to the property line right now. I'm going to walk. So, this is literally what I fenced off. That's a property line. I'm trying to get as transparent with you as I can. So that's the house, the front of the house right there. I'm gonna walk the lot for you guys. So as you can see, the house is right there, still there. As you can see now, this is my carrier where these pigs will be lechon today. This is one of my carriers for the farm. Right there. Whoa. This is my pedicab. Very simple. I make about $1.25. No, I'm sorry. I make about $1.25 a day with this. I mean, that's what the rental rate is. So if you ever see this in Bacong, Jeruvi 085, that's me. So this is pretty much the end of the property right here. This is the main gate. We'll do another tour for the store as like a business little situation, but literally the store is right there. That's how I set up my life, my situation here. The convenience store is right there. So we'll do another. That's for a different video. But that's this is the front gate. That's the house. This is the back of the store where the martial arts school used to be, and today where the wedding's gonna be. It's a decent sized lot that I closed off. It's all this side of the house is all hollow blocked up. This is a 10-foot wall, so I'm gonna go into the corner and cut across. This used to be full of coconut trees. Because I was gonna build another house here. Plans changed and it didn't happen. So you know. But this is coming across towards the another side of the house. And this is another side of the house. So this is a big ass water tank. I don't know how many gallons it holds. It holds a lot. That's an outside kitchen. Outside kitchen. That's an outside bathroom that we built for my in-laws. They just wanted one, so it's not really crazy. That is the outside kitchen. That is a tank for the water, just for the inside of the kitchen and stuff like that. That water tank basically does a shower and all that other stuff. Let's go in the house. So we're gonna go into the house. I just literally got this door made like a couple of weeks before I came. So don't excuse the mess because they're doing all their stuff. This is my little kitchen, my inside kitchen. We still haven't hung the shelves up, but I got plans for that. This is the house right here. Let me turn the lights on. That's my Hershey. My Hershey's here. My Hershey's here. But this point of view, that's my little kitchen right there. Nothing too crazy. And it's super open floor plan. There's more of the rooms. That's a bodega that we're storing stuff at the moment. It's just a mess. This is a bedroom or a small little bathroom. I still gotta do some work to it. Gotta put a mirror. I still gotta do a lot of work to it. Nothing crazy. Another bedroom. This is our bedroom. And this is that new room. This is the new room. That we just built. I love the floors. I love the floors. Excuse the mess. We have people over. And Mr. Teddy. He's tired and depressed. But yeah, this is, oh, there's my little Tezzy. On guard. But this is area, I like it because I made it because when I do build out the kennel, I'll be able to see the dogs from here and show guests and stuff like that. I like this because this window, I put it here because when I view the, when I view like the koi pond, the so I can just enjoy. I actually reupholstered these seats to the best of my ability. It's not that good, but I try my best. That's pretty much it, man. Oh, let me focus in here. So that is the house. It's nothing crazy, but it's my house, so But what I like about it, maybe I'm not gonna enjoy it that much longer, is the trees, being able to see nothing but field, and so when they do the harvest, I do take care of that. It's just me, and then there's their local way of taking care of garbage. Now, living in the Philippines is just that. You have to adjust to the Philippines. That's the house. Hoped you liked it. If not, hey, what can I do? Take care. And today's a wedding day, so it's gonna be very busy for me. I'm gonna take some videos, some B-roll for my sister-in-law, and we'll see what happens. Bye, guys.